Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. In this video we can find the value of this expression, which is 6 minus 4 parentheses 6 minus 4. So how can we find the value of this expression? So if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel for more video. So 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. Okay, and 6 minus 4 again equal to 2. So 2 times 2 is equal to 0. But this answer is wrong because the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. P stand for parentheses, E stand for exponential, multiplication, division, and addition, and loss, subtraction. Okay, so firstly we can solve a parentheses. So 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So I can write here 2 and time 4 minus 6. Okay student, so now firstly we can solve multiplication because multiplication have higher priority than subtraction. So 6 times 2, which is equal to 8. So I can write here 8 minus 6. Okay, so 6 minus 8 is the final answer of minus 2. This is the final answer of this expression. I hope you all are understand. If anywhere you can face an issue, then please comment. I will reply your comment. Thanks a lot.